What's going on, guys? My name's Sean. This is my wife, Darylyn. So we are currently in California area, stuck in traffic, and we figured this would be a good time to introduce new people to the channel. So this channel goes over a lot of auto repair and auto body, along with heavily corny jokes.
Dad jokes.
Yeah, mega dad jokes.
Immature, childish jokes.
Yep. And we are currently driving back to Utah from California with the GTR right here.
With our little baby right there.
So this video is part one of a long series. Don't know how many videos, but it will be the rebuilding process of the GTR. That being said, let's go back to earlier today to the beginning of this trip.
There's a Holiday Inn.
All the people sleeping at the Holiday Inn. Well, yes, finally here at IAA. Let me go inside and sort out the paperwork and then get loaded up. Well, not just yet. Rookie mistake, left my ID in the truck. So, getting that, then heading back inside. All right, guys, so it's really windy and loud around here, but here it is, 2009 Nissan GTR. Let's do a walk around. Just make sure the key is in it, if I can get this over my fender.
It says on the front windshield that it's locked.
Where's the key? Well, someone's coming to help break into the GTR because they think the key is locked inside of it. So Darylyn's just gonna go make a little pit stop. I'll meet the forklift driver over here for him to get into the car, and hopefully the key's in there, because the listing did say starts with jump and that the key was present. So, and they confirmed that in the office, just since they call it a high value car, the key sometimes is somewhere else, but I don't know.
There's another little lip in here, man. It's a pain. You got a little space to work with.
Heck yeah, man.
All right.
Okay, so now that Junior got me inside, we can see the interior. I don't think it's that bad in here. Like, once I figure out that the best thing is that the airbags did not deploy. I don't know how, whole front end, but this is crazy. So, like, everything, all the little bolts and accessory things look like they're down there. There's parts in the back that looks like part of the front bumper and the bumper absorber. So now to get this car strapped up and make the 12-hour trip back to Utah.
let the dogs out. Finishing touches, tying up the GTR to the trailer. Not now, Chief, I'm in the zone.
All right, so got it all strapped up and good to go. Okay, so we're just making it legit for some other people to enjoy the view. I drew a smiley face. Now Darylyn's gonna draw a bunny rabbit.
It's supposed to be a peace sign.
A peace sign? Close. Looked like a bunny rabbit. But yeah, so Darylyn drew a peace sign.
That doesn't look like that.
Yeah, it kind of does.
It totally looks like
Yeah,
that.
we'll see if people understand it.
Oh, right outside IAA. Real men love babies.
Babies!
I think half of our videos are going to be Sean cleaning the windows of the truck. Or Clorox wiping. How's that milk box?
Tastes like paper and milk.
Probably the only time we will see Sean eat in the truck.
You gotta grab the whole thing.
We love traffic. Yes, we do. We love traffic. How about you?
Hate that crap.
What are you eating?
Freaking gross pepper.
They're good for you. They're good for you! I love peppers. They're usually better with hummus, but
They're good in eggs with hot sauce on them. Just saying.
hi, little GTR. Hi, darling. How you doing back there? Good, but my hood's flapping up a little bit. Oh, that's okay. Sean can put some tape on you. No, and I won't look as cool. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we're somewhere in Nevada. Driving back, that huge traffic jam kept us, or put us back about an hour and a half.
So Darylyn was probably making fun of me for cleaning the windshield again, but the best windshield, like squeegee and fluid, is at the truck side of like travel stops, gas stations. They put actual soap in the fluid. I feel like they change it a lot. Squeegees are always new. And if you have a diesel truck and you haven't deleted DEF, yeah. All right, guys. So we just stopped at Pilot Fuel Travel Center thing to fill up and fill up our tummies too, as Darylyn is doing right now. How's your nice baked potato spread on cheese?
Wendy's baked potatoes have gone downhill.
It looks pretty gross.
It looks pretty gross.
But it smells good. And I just got like a chicken some crap. I don't know. But yeah, so we still have 6 or 7 hours to go. There's that crazy traffic jam that just screwed up everything. And so we'll be getting into Salt Lake tomorrow morning, first thing. Because it really will be tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. 12 o'clock, 12:05, 12:15. 12 something.
If we stop this much, it'll be 1 a.m.
If we stop this much, yeah, it'll be like 4:30. But we'll keep you updated. And maybe the next time we record something, we will look like death because I know I'm really tired. Darylyn took a nap, but she already...
I took a sleep.
She already seems like she's
It's longer
wanting to
than
fall
3
asleep.
hours.
Yeah, she took a 3-hour nap this morning.
It's considered a sleep if it's longer than 3
Yeah,
hours.
you continue. We ate breakfast.
And then I took a sleep.
Darylyn fell asleep for 3 hours as I drove from Reno to San Francisco.
It was great.
And now I'm still driving. But
It won't let me drive.
it has to be that way because it's for business. Insurance purposes.
But I'll drive the GTR.
Yeah, heck yeah, you will.
There's a bug crawling on our newly cleaned windshield. Better watch out. Sean's about to come back to the car.
Yeah, definitely just didn't pay attention to what door. I walked out the other side and I was like, these are all semis. So I walked around the back of the building.
Oh, I was wondering. I was watching the door for like 2 minutes. The windshield doesn't look as clean. It looks like you just got it wet and used the wipers.
Yep.
You must be really tired.
And the handle looks like freaking like 18 inches long. So I had to climb up on the stupid thing, but even then, like I said earlier, the truck side, yeah, they would have had
The long handle.
They would have had long handle. Oh, there's long handle right there. Of course,
Hmm.
right in the middle, where diesels wouldn't fit. But truck side has, this is all dirty cleaner. Truck side has like, what is that guy doing up on the roof?
What's that guy doing up on the roof? Oh, what is he doing up on the roof?
He's got the roll of that tape stuff. Utah.
Welcome to Utah.
So we ended up getting back a little after 1 this morning. It was just the worst. Tomorrow's video, I'm going to wash the GTR, start dismantling it, and figuring out what parts I need to order and what work I need to do. So if you're new to this channel, stay tuned for a lot more of that thing outside. Again, it's gonna be probably 15 to 20 videos on that and the build process or rebuild process, since it is a salvage title. But thanks again for watching, guys. If you want, go back and check out some of my old videos. Enjoy the week, and I will see you tomorrow.
Oh, kill him!